Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1. I'm Engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to test this electric capacitor. This in my hand is a little capacitor. This is a fan capacitor. It's very useful for you to know how to test this capacitor to solve a lot of fan problems. Now let's do it. In this case, we are going to use this digital multimeter model MUT33 in this case. This is very easy. The first step is take the test probe and introduce the test probe here. The black here in the common point and the red here. Now, move this selector to turn on the digital multimeter. Now, move to this position. This is the continuity test position. Now, our digital multimeter is ready. For now, how to do this test is very easy. If you touch this test probe and this, and you watch and listen to the digital multimeter in this way, this means we have continuity. This means the energy is moving from this point to this point. If this happens when I connect the digital multimeter to the capacitor, this means the capacitor is damaged because this capacitor isn't a cable. This means the energy can move in this way to this way directly. If this happens, this means inside the capacitor is direct, and in this condition, the capacitor is damaged. Because inside the capacitor, this line and this line are divided inside. This means the contact or the energy from this point to this point don't move directly from this to this. If we watch this, the digital multimeter detecting continuity, this means the capacitor is damaged. Now let's do it. The other step is discharge the capacitor because the capacitor can contain energy and always discharge the capacitor in this way. Touch these cables in this way. You can discharge the capacitor using something like this and do this. Now it's safe to connect the digital multimeter to the capacitor. And it's safe to touch with my finger too. Ready. Now connect the digital multimeter to the capacitor in this way. In this way. Like we are watching the digital multimeter don't detect continuity. In this case, this means this capacitor is good because this line and this line are divided inside the capacitor. And this means the capacitor is working correctly in this way, in this moment. And in this way, you can know if a capacitor like this is working correctly or not. In this case, this capacitor is good, it's working correctly. Thank you for watching. Give me a like if you like this content, share this video, subscribe in our channel, Sosa NASA 1 in English here on YouTube. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.